something.
Woo! Is that a heavy book? I wonder what that could be.
What's in your purse?
We'll go through. Oh.
Whoa, you got a couple. Very cool. What's in that?
What is it?
My dog has its own personality.
Yeah? What else is in your bag? Could take like the rest of the day, right? Another book?
Whoa!
What do you got?
Upside down. Put them on the other way.
It falls open? Let's see that movie star girl. Whoa. Blow it.
Whoa! Whoa!
Let me see that. Can you blow it?
Blow it, Landy.
Yeah, blow it. Yeah. Let go of the bottom there and blow it.
Hold it like this. Hold it right here. Let go. Now blow. Harder. Blow.
Hard.
You ready? You do it. You try. You try. There you go. He's making the noise. What is that? Oh my goodness. I don't know.
The simple pleasures.
Spend $1 on vacation. Whoa, is there stuff in that too? Oh my goodness. Earrings.
What else you got, Landon? Is there more stuff in there? Look in your bag.
Wow.
You want Colleen help?
You got a lot. You're going to have to put that in your Zora. Zora. Which other earring?
Squeeze it.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
All right, Molly, we gotta move. Okay.
You don't have to have them on. How inappropriate.
Tim, squeeze it.
Your dad will love that.
Oh, look at that fashion girl with those earrings.
Wow.
What else you got, Landon?
You guys know my dad and Jeff are going to be playing Tiger Woods golf. Tonight.
What's this?
I can see my dad throwing them up in front of my
Oh!
television. Oh my goodness.
Oh, you got what?
People go shopping for you, Landon.
Sunglasses.
Oh, and Daddy's going to love the pink.
Put them on, Landon.
Hey, they wear pink glasses. Let's see. Look at Nana.
Let me see.
Nana.
Say cheese.
Okay, let me see that. I'm going to have some medicine on that. That looks a little custard.
Colleen wear them?
Okay?
Yeah. All right. We gotta have a picture of this Colleen.
Happy birthday to you.
Look at his face. He is
Happy
laughing.
birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Landon. Happy
You look
birthday
so pretty.
to
Look at
you.
Nana.
Whoa. Look at Aunt Colleen.
Hey,
Jalen.
Jalen, you want to be jealous?
Look at Colleen. What else you got? Got anything in there? What's in there? What's this? Dinosaurs.
Well, sure I will. You want a whole little bag of choking hazard? Do that again. What do dinosaurs
Let
do?
me see your arm for a minute.
Whoa.
Let me see your other arm, please.
Happy dollar store to you.
Why are you breaking out?
You allergic to Aunt Colleen?
You have a rash on your arm. Where? All right there, sweets. paw.
Dog.
And Colleen's going to say for paper.
And then there's little stickers on here that you can make faces with the dog. And you put your stuff on for your princess. Jalen, you got stickers on yours too. Put this one.
Yeah.
This morning.
You want to look at that?